Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Sanur area on the end of October 2021. And actually 2 weeks ago I already explored Sanur area. But I have requests from my viewers. They want to know the update station in Sanur area the end of October. And on this video I will make video around 10 minutes without skip. So I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Sanur area on the end of October. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, from my viewer, they asking me to explore Sanur area. So today I will explore Sanur area on the end of October 2021. Okay guys, now we are in Danau Toba Street. So today I will driving around 10 minutes and I will make video without skip because I want to show you the real currently situation at the moment in Sanur area. After the border international open, you see left side, yeah, there is a restaurant and some tourists right there. That's good. Also see right side, there is also cafe, some people there. If I turn left, that is the way to go to Canggu Beach. Yeah, I'm sorry I have to move the camera all the time because I want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Sanur area. Left side, there is the hotel and some car parking there. Yeah, that is good. Okay guys, now we continue driving and we turn left to explore Danau Tamblingan Street. Yeah, now we are in Danau Tamblingan Street. This street actually is very famous for the tourists because around here there is a lot of shop and some hotels. You see the left side? There is some shop is already open. Actually behind me there is a traditional night market and my viewers was really happy because I explored this area. That because he ever been stay in this area just across the street from the night market. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Danau Tamblingan Street. So we'll see together how the situation in Danau Tamblingan Street right now. Okay guys, so far this area still look quiet. Actually in this area usually must be busy people because in this area there is a lot big hotel and shop. But today you see on the street it's very quiet, isn't it? Actually, I'm gonna say since around 3 weeks ago in this area was very busy because there is a lot domestic tourism come to this area to make vacation. But since last week, because our government say if you want to come to Bali, you must do PCR test, and the price PCR test was 500k. So that's why in this area getting quiet now. But I'm still really happy because I see some car parking there. That is because in few days ago, our government say the PCR test price is going down. And now, if you want to do PCR in Bali, price is 275,000. And for international tourism in Bali is still very quiet because if you come to Bali, you must do PCR test and you have to be quarantined for 5 days in Bali. And there is a lot of customers say that the price still very high price to come to Bali at the moment, a lot of cost. So that's why they cancel to come to Bali. But we hope together our government will make the prices a little bit low down and then a lot of tourism international come to Bali soonly. Okay, you see right side and left side, there is a lot of shop. And left side there is Starbucks. Yeah, they open but very quiet. There is also a big hotel left side. Yeah, but also look very quiet. Okay guys, I want to say thank you very much for your support to my channel. And for you, if you just find this channel, and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing Bali for sure. And also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. And also if you have any request to explore some place in Bali, you just can writing down on the text or comment. You see in this area, it's look busy, isn't it? I mean, like there is a lot of car parking in this area. You see in the left side, there is a lot of big hotel, and some hotel in the left side, there is a lot big hotel connecting by the beach. You see left side, there is a tourist walk around on the sidewalk. And you see big building left side, there is some shop and also some hotels. And also in the right side, there is a lot of souvenir shop. You see this area? It's look a bit busy, isn't it? That is good. And also in this area, that looks so busy. Wow, I'm really happy to see that actually. Just so many car parking in this area, in the right side. Yeah, we hope together Bali will be getting better and better for tourism. So, Bali business will be rise up again. And you see the left side? There is big resort and villa we call Maya Sanur. It's very beautiful inside, isn't it? And this villa is connecting by the Sanur beach. And on the beach you can see sunrise. And again, you see in this area, there is a lot motorbike parking and car parking in this area. It looks so busy, isn't it? And I saw so many taxis today. That's really good. And you see at the front right side, there is some taxi parking there. That's really good. And you see this area? It looks very green, isn't it? It's very beautiful. And in the left side, there is a lot of big hotel actually. And the hotel just connecting by the Sanur beach or Sunrise beach. So guys, have you ever been this area before? Have you ever been stay in Sanur? Yeah, I hope you are missing this area. And you will be back to Bali soonly and back to stay in this area. Because in this area it's very nice actually to stay. Because in this area is very quiet, more calm, not so much traffic. We hope early next year you will come to Bali without quarantine, and then Bali will be wake up again and a lot of tourists from all the country come to Bali to make vacation, and Balinese business get wake up again. And actually I already explored this area 2 weeks ago. It's not much different as last 2 weeks ago. Still quiet, but much better than last month. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Tamblingan Street. It's look a bit busy, isn't it? And today we also will explore Jimbaran Street to see how the situation right there at the moment. You see at the front right side? Yeah, there is a lot of car and motorbike parking and lots of people there because there is a very famous restaurant we call Musimu. And you have to try to come to this restaurant because the food is so delicious. Okay guys, now we continue driving and we will explore Cemara Street. So we will see together how the situation in Cemara Street, because there is also a lot big hotel in this area. I just want to show you how the situation at the moment in this area. And actually in this area on Cemara Street is very famous for the tourism, because in this area is very nice, very calm and very quiet and not so many traffic. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Sanur at the end of October. So what do you think? It still looks very quiet, isn't it? Camuela Hotel left side. Some car parking there, that's good. Okay guys, don't forget to support this channel by subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.